sitting in a 2018 Toyota IM, which is the same as a Scion IM, also called the Corolla IM. We're gonna program the remote portion of the original flip key here, do an immobilizer reset, and program the transponder chip. We'll end up with one key. The security light, you can see it's right underneath the airbag light, flashing. It's not programmed. So we go to IM, key coding, 2018. We'll do the remote first. Program the remote. Okay, those two buttons down, let go, hold down lock. You're done, it beeps. You back out. We'll go to immobilizer 3. And we're going to close the cycle down early on this one. Okay, service functions, reset immobilizer. Yes. Door is open. Okay, it's complete. Now the security light has gone solid. We want to do a learn master key. Take the key out, insert it, turn it to on. Press enter. It's going to go into a 45-second countdown with the status bar. You can program up to 2 masters and a valet, 2 masters, or a valet and a master. Now, you can wait for this whole status bar to go to the end for this light to go out if you're just doing one key. Or you just take the key and watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to turn it 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lights out. And you can always close it down early that way if need be. We'll just wait for the scanner to do its job here, but it's done. Okay. Take key out. There's our security light. Here's our key. Key's going to go in. Watch the light. It is out. Remove key. Light's flashing. Key's in. Turn it to on. Vehicle runs. And we are done.